Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm really excited. We're going to be playing with a bunch of new makeup. This is a collaboration video with a brand called Stylevana. They were so kind and they sent me a ton of products. So we're gonna throw them all on, create this look that we're rocking today. We're gonna talk about them a little bit. If that sounds interesting to you, then keep on watching. All right, so first up, I just want to read a little bit about this company. This here's from their website. It says, welcome to Stylevana. Stylevana is your one-stop online shop to purchase trendiest Asian fashion and beauty products. At Stylevana, we are fashion and beauty enthusiasts. We dedicated in discovering and sourcing Asian fashion and beauty products and brands for you every season. We aim to bring you a wide range and affordable selection in both fashion and beauty, as well as sharing with you the latest tips and secrets in beauty and styling. Our mission: to discover a style that represents the beautiful you. Stylevana prides itself on offering quality Asian fashion and beauty products to our customers. Our wide range of unique products means that you can definitely find a style to represent your own. Our product selection, along with the styling secrets we share, we assure that you will only be more and more beautiful. With Stylevana, our friends and family can discover the most beautiful version of themselves. Join us to find the beautiful you. They were so kind. They reached out to me. They asked if they could send me some of their new June products. So everything that they sent, I do believe it's like new for June, or it's things that they really want to represent and put out there for June. These are all amazing summer products. I can't wait to share them all with you. I will have everything that I used linked down in the description box. So if there's anything that you want to see, I'll have it down below, make it really easy for you guys. Also use this code INF10 minsbeauty. You can save some money off your order. You'll get 10% off your entire order, an additional 15% off your order if the purchase amount is over $59 American, $75 Canadian, UK is 43, Australia 77, and then FR is 48. I will also link the websites for all the different countries here down below. Let's just make it easy. Read the description box. Anyways, guys, without further ado, all right, we're just gonna hop right into it. I do already have my face primed and everything like that. I did use the Peter Thomas Roth Skin to Die For primer, and then under the eyes I used this Becca Anti-Fatigue Under Eye Primer, just because they didn't send me anything like that. But the first thing we're gonna put on is the Pony Effect Everlasting Cushion Foundation SPF 50. So that is awesome. I love that it has the SPF in it, and I really do like a good cushion foundation. It comes with a refillable. The packaging is really nice. It's a sleek black. It says Pony Effect in it and kind of like a rose gold almost. Open it up. You do get a good size mirror. You get this little pad, which I'm not going to use. And then you flip that open. Let's... Whoop. My light just went all weird. We're gonna remove that. Oh, I hope that this matches me. I have been getting quite tanned here the past week. It's been really beautiful out, and this might be a little light. I don't know. we're gonna try it out. We're gonna see what happens. I am going to use my Huda Beauty sponge. I'm just going to dip my sponge in it, and let's see. It's gonna be a tad bit too light, I think, but we'll make it work. We'll just use extra bronzer. It is blending into the skin nicely though. That is one layer of the foundation. It is a nice light coverage. As you can see, it still leaves a bit of a glow to the skin without it being too glowy. I really do love the finish of this. My skin looks evened out. It is a tad too light though. I wish it was just like one shade deeper. I'm gonna build it up a little bit just in here. Okay. That is with it built up just a little bit in a couple of spots. I really do like the finish of this foundation. I think it's beautiful. They didn't send a concealer or bronzer, so I'm just gonna quickly throw these bad boys on. All right, the next thing from them that we're going to talk about is the McQueen Cushion Tint. This is a cheek tint, so like a cream blush. This is in number 2 Nude Coral. You know, cream products have been all the rage lately. Oh, I love the little packaging that it comes in. It's this nice little glass bottle. And the shade, let's pull this out. The applicator looks nice. The shade looks beautiful. I don't know how pigmented this is going to be. I'm going to put some on my hand and then pick it up with the Beauty Blender maybe. Ooh, that color is really pretty. I'm going to pick a little bit up with my sponge. I really like that color. And there's still a bit of luminosity to the skin. Next up, we have a multi-stick highlighter. This is in 001 Champagne Gold. This comes in a little stick form. The color looks pretty. I'm going to, again, put some on the back of my hand and I'll warm it up and probably apply it here with my fingers. It's really nice. That is looking really nice so far. So far, I'm pretty impressed. I am going to now set my face. They didn't send me a setting powder. So I'm just going to go in with the Kosas. This is the Cloud Set powder. I have mine in the shade Airy. I don't want like a really heavy powder with this look. All right, I might have to go in with a little bit of like a powder bronzer just to deepen this a bit. Sometimes if you get a foundation that is just a smidge too light, you can cheat and use bronzer. There, that's better. Okay, the next thing that I'm going to use is the Orchard Skin 3-in-1 Eyebrow. This is what it looks like. What color is mine in? Number 3, Choco Brown. This is what it looks like. Okay, so you have a pencil on this end. You have a spoolie here. And then what is... Okay, this twists. Okay, and then you get like a little sponge thing here that gets powder onto it from in here. So it says here to first go in with the powder and then fill it in with the pencil and then use the spoolie. So I guess that's what we're gonna try to do. Okay, so first we get some powder. Now we'll grab the pencil. And then we'll grab the spoolie. Let's just quickly get this other one done. All right, now they match. It actually worked really well. It all blended in together. As you can see, my brows look like brows. Okay, I don't have an eyeshadow palette that they sent, so I'm just gonna quickly throw a little bit of eyeshadow on. I'm not doing anything crazy, and I'll be back. Okay, I quickly just did a little eye look using the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde. Love this palette, especially for the spring. The colors are just beautiful. Next up, we have some eyeliners. First, we have this Moni Waterproof Pen Eyeliner in deep black, and then we have the Moni Waterproof Pencil Gel Liner in Aura. Let's have a look at this pen liquid one first. The tip looks nice. It's small. Ooh, okay, that goes on really nicely. It is a deep black. I don't see any bleeding out into my skin. The line is crisp. Now let's have a look at this other one. Ooh, that's really creamy too. It is a nice brown shade. We're definitely going to use this one, and I can't do this on camera, so we'll be back again. All right, the liner went on absolutely beautifully. It is black. I had no problems. It didn't stick or drag. Now we're gonna try out the Misha 4D mascara. So I'm not exactly sure what 4D is, but it sounds good. Let's see what this wand looks like. Okay, it's a wand that I like. It's not like the plastic bristles. I'm not a fan of the plastic bristle ones. Let's see. Okay, so about that mascara here, I did throw on a little bit of my Fenty Beauty mascara on top. I love this one for the lower lash lines though. This will be sitting on my counter here to use daily just for my lower lash line. Now we're gonna set everything and we're gonna use the Glow Makeup Fixer Bulgarian Rose Water. The box is really pretty. It's like a holographic kind of look to it. Ooh, inside this looks just like the same bottle to the watermelon one from Glow Recipe. Look at this bottle. It is so beautiful and it has like a swirly motion to it inside. It looks really pretty. We're gonna give this, let's see. Ooh. Oh, that smells nice. Let's give it a shake and throw her on. It does have a bit of a rose scent to it. It's not bad though. I'm not one that really cares for like the rose scent, but this one is nice. It's not overpowering. I like it. I like it. So last but not least, we have this Corinco lipstick in V01. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing any of these right. But like I said at the beginning, I will have everything kind of linked down below. This is what the package looks like. Oh, it's like magnetized. I like that. Okay, this is the shade. I don't know if I'm going to wear it today. It doesn't really go with my look. I'm going to swatch it though. Ooh, that is really pretty. It is like the orange based bright red. Doesn't go with my eye look, but we're gonna use something else. Oh no, I do have something else here. We almost forgot about this. This is the Shabam Shabam Romantic Glitter. Let's see. Comes with just like a little brush-like applicator. Let's see if we can get some. Okay, so it just adds like a tiny bit of glitter. I don't know if you guys can even see it. We're gonna add some to my eyes here. Let's see. I'm gonna add some to the inner corner as like a highlight pop. Oh, that's pretty actually. When the light hits it, it just adds like a little extra pop. Okay, I'm gonna put some on the other side. There, now I just have a little extra sparkle. And for my lips, I'm just gonna throw on this Color Icon lip gloss from Wet n Wild. This is the Aquarius. Alright guys, all in all, I really loved everything. They all performed so well. If you're in the market to kind of dip into more of the Korean beauty, skincare, fashion, anything like that, definitely go check out Stylevana. Don't forget to use my code. And I will have everything linked below. If you like these kinds of videos, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go and hit that subscribe button down below. And if you want to be notified of my upcoming videos, then hit the bell. And until next time, I hope you all have a fabulous day.